Hello, in this video, I will show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. So it's a very easy process. Just simply open Excel on your computer. Now, once the Excel is opened, all you have to do is go to the Files, then Option. After that, go to the Trust Center right over here. Then just click on Trust Center Settings. And over here, you should be able to see macro settings. Now over here, you will have all the macro settings available, like Disable VB, a macro setting without notification, with notification, and lastly, enable macros right over here. So if you choose this option right over here, it is going to be potentially dangerous because after enabling the macros over here, make sure to disable this or go back to the default settings after you're done modifying your worksheet, because you could potentially run any dangerous code that might harm the system. So once you're done with the worksheet, just simply come over here and disable the macro. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.